The results are in, and the number one most profitable stock to bet against, aka short, for all of 2022 is none other than Tesla, led by the real-life Iron Man himself, Mr. Elon Musk. According to S3 data, in 2022, short sellers made an estimated $15.85 billion shorting Tesla stock. So, here's how the trade works. Let's say it's the start of the year, and because of all the reports of Tesla supply chain issues, news of Elon purchasing Twitter, or just because of the billions in shares Elon has been selling to raise cash, you think Tesla's stock price will drop by year end. Key phrase here, by year end. To short the stock, you actually have two options. Number one, you could borrow the stock using your margin trading account at the start of the year and then sell the shares immediately to raise cash. Then to close out your position, assuming your prediction on the lower stock price was right, you would then buy the same number of shares back at the lower price the stock would trade at year end and thereby lock in your profit. Or option number two, you could actually use a put option. You could buy a December put option, which will rise in value as the stock price drops throughout the year. And then to cash out with this strategy, you would just sell the put option in December at the now higher market value that it would trade at. Now that's pocket sense.